Today, a lot of organizations know what big data really is, but there comes another problem. How do you actually start your big data journey? How do you actually do it? Hi, my name is Peter Kwa and I'll be conducting the Big Data Strategy and Application Workshop. I am the Head of Data Science in Media Prima Digital. I am also the co-founder of the AsianDataScience.com community platform, and in my previous life, I was part of the MDAC team that actually did a lot of awareness on how to drive the big data economy in Malaysia. So how big data evolved? Okay, in the past, a lot of organizations, they have been doing a lot of analytics already, right? They already have the data, but what they were doing were more like descriptive analytics as well as diagnostic analytics. Descriptive analytics means answering the question, what happened? You know, like for example, what happened to my sales last month? The diagnostic analytics would be, why did it happen? With progressing big data tools and technology, we can now answer the question, what will happen, which is the predictive technology, and what can we do about it? So for example, what will happen would be things like, what will my sales be in the next 1 year? You know, and what can we do about it? Today, a lot of organizations know what big data really is, but there comes another problem. How do you actually start your big data journey? How do you actually do it? So basically, this workshop is all about big data strategy and application. So strategy of starting your big data journey. So who should I hire? How many data scientists should I hire? You know, and what are the technologies that I should be adopting? Strategy must come first before you actually buy any technology, before you hire your data scientists. So this class is especially important for managers and the management, because you cannot just simply hire a data scientist or a data engineer and expect them to perform miracles, you see. As management, you are supposed to work together with your data science team to actually formulate business strategies, look at the gaps, look at the problems in your company, and from there, you give this problem to be solved by your data scientists.